from east. I am from east part of India. What about you? Which east part of India? Which state do you? I am from Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Wow. Have you been Odisha before? Have you been? Definitely welcome to Odisha, and if you get time, then you visit Odisha. Odisha has beautiful place. Are you a student or are you working? Wow, what type of business are you doing? I heard about trading, but I don't have enough knowledge about trading. How long have you been doing trading? Wow, I think I heard Maharashtra, Gujarat, you people always involved in trading, right? Because you get so many benefit and you people invest little money and you get lots of money, right? Through trading. How is it? Okay. I don't do anything. Whatever means you are doing your trading apart from trading. What do you do? Okay, right now it's okay. Can you hear me? I don't do anything. How many languages do you know? Okay, you know three languages, right? Hindi, Marathi, and English. And do you talk with anyone in English? Okay, apart from this platform, how do you practice with your language? Okay, and you never talk with anyone in English, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, how long have you been using this platform? Okay, I have been using this platform around 5 months, you can say. Yeah, yes, you are right. I am a regular user. Sometimes if I don't get time, then I don't use. Otherwise, I try to use regularly this platform. We don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone. I can speak my mother tongue fluently, but I cannot speak fluently Hindi and English. I am beginner of those languages. But I can understand also Bengali and Urdu. Means who can speak Hindi, they people can understand Urdu, right? I can understand Bengali also, Urdu also, Hindi also, English also, but I am not a fluent speaker of those languages. I am fluent in my mother tongue, only speaking part. Yeah. I live in joint family, 7 members of my family. Yeah. Do you want to know about my personal matter or do you wanna discuss different? Do you want to know about my personal matter or do you want to discuss with language? That is a better. We don't discuss about any personal matter, right? Yeah, that's why I'm also here. That's why I'm also here, but I don't want to discuss. Yeah, that is also, but I don't want to discuss that matter.
Then what topic you want to discuss?
We discuss any topic, it is a better for us. Do you like politics or any kind of subjective matter? Any kind
Okay,
of.
let's go discuss. Then discuss one topic. Then discuss.
Okay, this platform provides one topic. Do you wanna discuss the topic? Do you wanna?
So if you have any topic to discuss,
Mhm. This,
hello.
yeah, this platform means provides one topic. What is your dream place to visit and why? Do you wanna discuss?
My dream place to visit to Goa.
Okay, then why
Yeah,
do you
Goa.
want to visit Goa?
Wait, I will tell you. Don't worry.
Mm-hmm. Okay, tell me.
Because Goa is happiness of enjoy. Goa is happiness of relaxation.
Mm-hmm.
Goa is the place of everything you wanted to do.
Mm-hmm.
The enjoyment like a party, pool party, disco. I love the disco. I love the parties and all that. And Goa is the destination of all these things. That's why I wanted to visit Goa.
Okay, that's good. You are one type of means jovial type of person, right? Then
Sorry?
you are one type of jovial type of person. Got it? Got it, my point?
Yeah, yeah. And
Okay.
what about you? What type of you?
You can say I'm an
If I ask you, see, if I ask you this question, why did you told me? Why did you tell? Why you person? That's why you can't explain it.
okay. Then do you
If I
want
ask
to
you,
take
what is your choice? What is your hobby? Again, you come and say me.
do you wanna take PR in
This
Goa?
question is very honest.
Do you wanna purchase means permanent residence in
Your
Goa?
voice is breaking. See,
Okay, maybe today what happened? My voice is breaking.